many know and when. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau gives testimony today at the public inquiry into foreign interference into Canada's federal elections.
With weeks of milder temperatures expected, is it time to change out your winter tires?
It's time and the weather's good now.
The forecast highs for the rest of April are expected to be in double digits.
It's being called a drastic and draconian landscape for women in Arizona.
A 19th century law now dictates life in the 21st century.
The Supreme Court brings back an abortion law from 1864. The Ford government is reportedly facing pressure from some of the country's biggest grocers and retailers over its changes to the Blue Box recycling program.
Matthews is 4 away from 70 with 4 to go. He got 66 last night. Wins for the Leafs and the Jays, but not the Raptors. Sports at 45.
Arkansas high alert for interest rates and inflation data due this morning. The TSX comes in at a record high. Delta Airlines on high flyer.